Want to know how to set up your profile in Boo? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily set up your profile once you have signed up first in the Boo app. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application and make sure you are signed up or logged in. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So once I done that, so you should just simply type in your real name and then your date of birth, and you should be under this content right here. So you can just simply skip it, or you can just simply select continue by selecting what are you looking for, maybe friends or dating. So you can just simply select continue and then select who do you want to meet as a friend. So just simply select your gender as well. So what's relationship status, the relationship or single, your choice. Select continue and you can just simply type in your interest right here, as you can see 5 of them, and then just simply select continue and you should be good to go. Select add and there you go. You can just simply take quiz as well, that is of 30 questions, and you can skip it as well by selecting skip, or you might just have to take the quiz. And once that is done, you should be successfully done for Boo app. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.